Hathara ya miiyuro guku bururi-ini riu ndiguthiraga yatira kuona riu kaunti itanyihiire 33 ni ireketie kuhutio ni miiyuro eno iria ikoretwo igicungiririo ni mbura nene iria thiete na mbere na kura. Mwena wa kihoto gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni kimwe gia icigo iria igomeirwo ni miiyuro eno na njira nene, kuria riu minista wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa o undu umwe na minista wa maria maturigiceirie Keria Kotobiko macakaite hathara eno icera-ini riao gicigo-ini giki.
We have been shown the families affected here, and you are talking of about 1860 families that have been displaced, largely in the Kihoto slums around here. And we are here to urge those who are still close to the lake to move.
Speaking about rains, heavy downpour, and we blame the gods for that. But we should also, as a country and as a people, ask ourselves, to what extent have we contributed to the severe consequences?
Wamalwa ni oritie Akenya mehuge miiyuro eno iria irikitie gucungiriria ikuo cia andu matanyihiire 237 guku bururi-ini, akiuga ati mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura yahota guthie na mbere na guthandana nginyagia mweri ukite.
Kwa sasa ni kaunti 33 ambazo zimeathirika. Kufikia asubuhi ya leo wale wamepoteza maisha yao ni watu 237. Wiki jana wakati tumekuwa tunatoa ripoti yetu ni watu 194 kwa wamepoteza maisha yao. Kwa hivyo unaona ya kwamba janga hili la mafuriko limesababisha maafa hata kuliko lile la corona. Sababu corona tumepoteza watu 33 kufikia sasa.
Ndeto eno ni ikindiritwo ni ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera guku bururi-ini, undu uria riu ututhurite hahu ya mwanangiko makiria.
There are areas where we are giving advisories, where we're expecting heavy rains. These are highlands west of the Rift Valley, central and south Rift Valley, highlands east of the Rift Valley including Nairobi area.
Gukiri uguo, Akenya aria maikaraga hakuhi na njui o undu umwe na ndemu ni moritio mathamire icigo-ini ingi iria itari ugwati-ini wa miiyuro, kuona nyingi wacio ni ciambitie kuna kuumana na ithimi cia iguru cia mai. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.